Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
What a beautiful day! The little racing cars are playing at the playground. The red car is bouncing on a trampoline. The purple car is swinging on the swing set. The yellow car goes up the lift and slides down the slide. Oh, what's going on? The ground under the trampoline is shaking. The slide is rocking. A huge crack opens up in the earth. It's an earthquake. Deep underground, huge plates are shifting. It's a good thing the earthquake was short, but now it's necessary to put things back in order. The slide needs to be set back right, and the swings. Everything that was tossed over in just a few seconds. The little cars can't do it on their own. Oh no! Even the ramp up to the garage was damaged, and part of the garage roof fell in. The garage doors won't open. A vehicle is stuck inside. Little cars, try to get the door to open. The yellow car wants to move the huge blue part. It's not strong enough. The red car goes for help. A crane truck is working at a construction site. It's very powerful and can lift heavy objects. Crane truck, can you help us, please? The crane truck raises its supports. It slowly turns and follows the red car to the helper car garage. To lift the heavy load without tipping over, the crane truck needs to put down its supports again. The crane truck rotates its crane and attaches to the load with its strong magnet. One part of the ramp is already in place. Let's put up the arch. Now the crane truck can drive up to the second floor. What's next? That's right, the crane truck puts down its supports and lifts the load. One part of the roof is in place. And the second one too. Great job, crane truck. Now, the helper cars can get out of the garage and go help out at the playground. The dump truck, the excavator, the bulldozer, and the crane truck are all going on the playground mission. The crack in the ground must be filled, and the swings and slides need to be set up properly. The dump truck pours gravel into the crack. These little stones will be covered with soil later. The crane truck flips the purple slide. The excavator covers the gravel with soil. The red car can turn over the seesaw all by itself. The bulldozer levels the ground that the earthquake pushed up. Hooray! The helper cars made everything as good as new. Now they can head back to their garage. Let's say goodbye to them. The helper cars need some rest in their garage because someone will need their help again.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars and the puppy are playing ball. Oh wow! The car has done a somersault. The red car has caught the ball. What's that? Look! There's a bottle in the water. It's not just a bottle. There's a map inside. Let's pull out the cork and get the map. Look, there's a red cross near that tree. There must be a surprise hidden there. Let's go and look for it. There's the tree. There's a green box at the top of it. How are we going to get it? The puppy can't jump high enough. Neither can the yellow car. No chance. Ah, it's the helper car's garage. The excavator, crane truck, and the scissor lift truck are coming to help. They're all off to get the job done. The scissor lift truck is driving up to the tree. The puppy has jumped onto the red platform. He's going higher and higher. Hooray! Now we can open the green box. I wonder, what could be inside? Ah! It's another map. I wonder what the blue triangles could mean. I get it. Those triangles are meant to be the piles of old parts at the scrapyard. Do you see the green cube, cars? That's the next clue. But the puppy can't bring the cube down with him. Crane truck, could you lend him a hand, please? The crane truck is pushing out its arm. It's picking up the cube and it's bringing it down. And where's the map with the next clue? There it is. There's a cross next to the orange rectangle. Let's go and find it. There's a rectangular hole, and there's a cross behind it. We've got to dig here. The puppy is trying, but he can't quite manage it. Excavator, could you lend him a hand, please? We've got to dig here. The excavator can dig very quickly. It's got a very big bucket. Look how much soil it can fit in it. What's there? The surprise? It's a treasure chest. And in the chest, there are different colored stickers for the cars. The little cars look like race cars now. On your marks, get set, go! The helper cars are going back to the garage until next time. Someone else will probably need their help tomorrow.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song. Cars! Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Singing they'll hear, beep and steer and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is a farm. Lots of domestic animals and birds live here. The chickens live in this coop. They lay eggs, which are then collected and taken to the store. The manipulator is carefully placing the eggs in a box. This is the pickup truck. It's come to the farm to collect the boxes of eggs, then take them to the store. The forklift is picking up the wooden pallet and putting it into the back of the pickup truck. Oops, one of the boxes is open, and the pickup truck hasn't noticed. And of course, all the eggs fell out on the first sharp turn. It's a good thing they didn't break. Now there are 5 eggs missing from the box. One of them is lying right on the road. Cars, can you gather up the eggs? Let's put them all back in this box. The red car found the first egg. Look, here's another one in the carrot patch. Yellow car, look again. What's that in the pig pen? Well done, you found it. The red car is looking in the chicken coop. That nest is empty. Here's an egg in this box of carrots. Now they're all back in the box. The pickup truck is driving to the store. But where are the little cars going? Look what the forklift is carrying. Jars of water, brushes, and paints. The cars are painting the eggs. Let's decorate the eggs with stickers. Then they'll be even more beautiful. A cupcake. Another cupcake. A flower. Now we've got a whole basket of beautiful, colorful eggs. Time for the helper cars to go back to the garage. There will be new tasks for them tomorrow.